My name is Sanya Manchanda, and today I'm going to present my project on the operating system, and my project title is Scalable Thread Library Management System. So this project is visually demonstrate how thread works inside the system. So normally thread scheduling is handled internally in the backend and not easy to understand just looking at the code. So this is why this project focuses on that visualization. So instead of that backend logic, this system provides an interactive interface where we can clearly create thread or we can execute that thread and monitor and optimize. So let's see that step by step. So this website, this has 6 sections, that is dashboard, thread management, scheduler, analytics, AI suggestions, and settings. So each section represents the different stage of thread management and lifecycle. So let's see step by step. So let's move to the dashboard. So it has the central monitoring system of that entire project. So here we can see that total threads, active threads, and that completed threads. Here we can see that progress also, like how much threads I completed, or how much threads are in waiting state, or how much threads are running here. And it will show me my all that recent logs here or activities, whatever my threads will create. So this page is very useful. Instead of navigating through different sections, we can understand the system just in one glance. So it works like a control panel where we monitor performance continuously. So next let's move to the thread management. So this is one of the most important part of the system because this is where the threads are created and configured. So let's see. Okay, here I can create a new thread. Whatever I want to write a name here. And here I can give that thread type also, CPU bound, input output bound. I will choose CPU bound. So now I will give priority low, medium, high. So for example, I will choose medium, and here from here I can increase that steps. So now I will create my thread here. So it will show me my running state in this queue order. Whenever it will complete, it will show me here like this. So like this, we can create multiple threads with different priorities and durations to stimulate the real world scheduling scenarios. So this helps us to the how system behaves using different conditions. So next let's go to the scheduler. So this is where the actual execution of thread takes place. So on this page we have this buttons start, pause, and reset. So whenever I click on this start button, it will begins executing my thread one by one. So we can clearly see this state summary, running, waiting, and completed threads. So this is also a visual execution timeline also, which shows me how threads moving from waiting to running and to completed state. So it is very easy to understand how scheduling works internally, but it depending on the scheduling algorithm also, and that behavior changes, all that things. So let's move to the analytics. So this page focuses on the performances. So here we can see the metrics such as execution time, like how much time it will take to complete that thread, and my completed threads, it will show me in this throughput, and that any pending threads, it will show me here average wait pressure. So it will all give me the a kind of performance. It will show me my thread states, how many threads are my running, paused, pending, completed, or failed. So now I completed my 2 threads, so it will show me here, and that 2 threads in a medium priority. So it will show me like this, or it will give me that you can say performance. So this chart helps us to understand that how threads are behaving and how efficiently the scheduler is working. So this page is into meaningful insights. So next let's move to the AI suggestions. So this is a smart feature of the system, also like an intelligent assistant. So it observes the current state, including a number of waiting threads, completed threads, and the currently scheduling strategy. So based on this data, it provides a useful recommendations also. So for example, if many threads are waiting, it may suggest switch to the priority scheduling. So if the system is stable, it will suggest a use FIFO, or if it also can direct bottlenecks and suggest improvements to optimize that performance. So next let's move to the settings. So this page provides that full control over all the behavior of the system. So whenever I can switch here FIFO or priority, and this allows us to modify the behavior without changing any code. So this page acts as a configuration panel. And thank you.